I'm reading my speech. No one is going to tell me what to do at what time. I'm in charge. That's why these fools are running around here. I'm in charge.
On a point of order, Chair.
Order, Chairperson.
Point of order, Chairperson.
Order, Chairperson.
I've got the ruling party by
Order,
strength
Chairperson.
Soon, Venga. I like it. That's what you want to do? Okay, Shabaga double total biliato on the rocks, Mama Tapinda. We drink biliato, boy, that's standard. Facts. We don't need no water and no average. Facts. Show up at the party with a bad bitch. She excited, shorty just can't keep her hands still. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I talk too much, I got the whole game on my scrotum. Get off. The mafia got the city on my shoulders. I'm getting hotter, but the city getting colder, so I'm growing anti-social shit is deep. And they say cash, just ignore that, man. I'm like, nah. It's gonna be fun, y'all. Put it on, let's rap. I put you on, and I even had to force that track. An endorsement, yeah, Cavella, man, that's 4 steps back. I mean, how dare you step to the dawn, another level. The only time I see little niggas is in my review. The first 16 was kinda like just to prepare you. Cause I'ma say what all of these other niggas is scared to, yeah, out of the way. But the hour today, yeah, it's all fun and games until I wanna play. Sit back and relax, it's about to get uncomfortable. Why you mad at me? Ambitious the one fucking you. They said it's war, and I should load up strong. I said, nah, let's take it easy, you should hold that thought. You ain't the king, Quasi that nigga who owns those songs. Man, you a bitch, cut the act, and just show your thumb. Get ready to be removed, boy, some things you shouldn't do. Cause you build your career on the features with who and who. You know you got a history, my nigga, don't get confused. See, this right here is karma for women that you abuse. Situation is as tight as your pants. The Hype magazine or this rap shit. Just beat, I think about it. You only blew up after my feature. Get it? And now you wanna come after me, dog. I guess Reno Rato Safuni Bankari Steam Raw. You should've done piano too, dog. That's what I see, dog. Kozo Pila Waberem Kokoten. And Nike hip hop. 40 million views, I mean, that's not bad. Considering that half of it is just one track. Man, how the fuck is you an upcoming artist at 36? And why you try to use Ricky's death to get a hit? See, women like my smile, I'm guessing the cheese different. Yeah. We don't pay no rent, we own the cribs that we live in. Yeah. I've been in trouble too, had to bribe police even. But the difference is, I beat the charges, you beat women. I know where the cash at. You are Mandam Tembu, I'm Romet Kumede. I never see you with bitches, only niggas with bad raps. I'm sure Halili studio young da, Hunkamarete, Hunkamusun. Ushamare was good, cause na hake go shebile ka re kang khasepun. Nkare motho a shabetse papa ka monkwa cabbage. Nyoko e tlhatsa batho marshem wena o ipale. Fuck you mean? I don't know why these niggas keep trying it, man. The Don Billy I'm not the one, boy. Y'all should already know by now. Talk to him. I guess I gotta keep reminding y'all. Rock for me. The King's back. The Don Billy And if any of you motherfuckers try this shit, or you think of trying this shit, just know I'm loaded. And I go for the heart. Don't fuck with me. Brand new single out, put your hands up, that's the motherfucking anthem. Okay, Shabaga double total biliato on the rocks, Mama Tapinda. That's how I tell you, I'm a simple